drag into issues related to former DBM Undersecretary Lau. Though I'm now a senator, pinagpipilitan pa rin po ng iba na aide ko siya o tao ko siya, kahit na ipinilawanag ko na po sa nakaraang Blue Ribbon Committee hearing ang katotohanan, sa muli, inuulit ko for the 9th time. Hindi ko aide o hindi ko po tauhan si Attorney Lloyd Lau. Kailanman, hindi po siya directly na nagre-report sa akin na tauhan ko talaga. Iba yung aide na tauhan mo na nagre-report sa'yo. May sarili siyang trabaho, may sarili siyang buhay. Si Lau ay isa sa mga daan-daang empleyado, opisyal po ng Malacanang noon, 2016. Naging bugado siya ni Pangulo nung kampanya. He was appointed to the presidential management staff at the start of the President Duterte's term until early 2017, after which he was appointed nga po to HLURB and later to the DBM in 2019. Before resigning last June of this year. Yusek Lau did not directly report to me, nor did he ever serve as my aide o tauhan ko talaga. Kilala ko po siya. Taga Davao rin po siya. Pero hindi ko po siya tauhan o aide. Eh kung may kasalanan siya, panagutin natin. Kung kailangan ikulong natin. Kailangan i-contempt natin. I already assumed my post in July 2019 as an elected senator when Lau was designated.